Good morning, everyone. Take out your English language book. English language. 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 Grammar and composition. Meherin, Sek Meherin. English language book. Yes, Meghna Rahman.
Ma'am,
Chapter 9.
Ma'am, write in copy.
When I am telling that, you have
Ma'am, write in copy.
Not now, Meghna. Just follow my instruction, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Sifa. Yes, Sifa.
Yes, ma'am. My mother is not at home. So, what page number? I don't know. I joined late. I don't know the time.
Okay. So wait for a few minutes. Wait. Everyone open your English language book. Adjectives, degree of comparison. Adjectives, degree of comparison. Yes, what Sifa?
Ma'am, what page number?
Page number 37. English language book.
Book.
Language book. Language. You don't understand that English literature and language?
Ma'am, you say the wind, you say anytime.
Yes. Not now.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Shabnur.
Ma'am, page number 41.
Okay, page number 41. Yes. Page number 41. Okay, so you have already know the what is adjective, and today we will just know the adjectives degree of comparison. Adjectives degree of comparison. So what is adjective? Adjectives describes noun. They tell us more about persons, places, animals, or things. Okay. This chapter is adjectives degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. We have 3 degree: positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay. So positive, comparative, and superlative. Example: the baby is happy. In this sentence, the usual form of adjective used positive degree when we say or describe something or someone. There we use positive degree. Okay, there we use positive degree. We can when we can compare between two things or two persons, there we use comparative degree. Okay, Apurva looks happier than Anuj. Apurva looks happier than Anuj. Here we use the comparative degree. Here we use the comparative degree. Hey, Sifa, sit. What are you doing? Sifa, what are you doing? Sit in front of the camera. Where is Sifa? Sit in front of the camera. Okay, okay. Sit, sit, sit. So we use positive degree when we describe something or someone, and we use comparative degree when we compare between two things or two persons. Between two things or two persons. Example, Apurva looks happier than Anuj. In this sentence, we compare between two persons. We compare between two persons. Okay. Here we use comparative degree. Okay. And in the example, Praveen is the happiest person I know. In this sentence, in the third form of adjective, we compare more than two things. More than two things. Here we compare more than two things. So here we used the superlative degree. So positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Rules of comparison, comparing adjectives. There are 5 rules. First one, to compare two things, we add ER. To compare two things, we add ER. And to compare more than two things, we use EST. EST. We use EST. And the third one, for some adjectives, we add more or less before the adjective instead of adding ER. So, beautiful, more beautiful, exciting, less exciting. Okay. So, in this comparative degree, we use more and less. And for some adjectives, we add most or least in the superlative degree. Most or least in the superlative degree. Some adjectives do not follow any of these patterns. Their other forms are completely different from their usual forms. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. These are completely different. There is no, we have not maintained the rules. Okay. The positive, comparative, and superlative. Here the adjectives, the form of the adjectives are totally different. Totally different. So when we compare between two things, we use, we also see that then word is every sentence. We just, you will notice the word then. Then you will put comparative degree. যেখানে দেন দেখতে পাবে সেখানে comparative degree হবে, ঠিক আছে? Comparative degree. There we will use comparative degree. Okay. And so when we describe one person or one thing, we use positive degree. And when we compare between two persons, we use comparative degree. When we compare more than two things or two persons, we use superlative degree. And comparative degree, we use ER. Superlative degree, we use EST. We add EST. Okay. Shorter, shortest. Tall, tallest. Small, smallest. Okay. And then some word are EST, not adding ER or EST. This is more beautiful. In comparative degree, more beautiful, less beautiful. And in superlative degree, most beautiful, least beautiful. Okay. And there are some words are totally different. They have not maintained any rules. That good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. There we have not maintained any rules there. Okay. So everyone Take out your book, open your book and copy also, and just do exercise ABC. Exercise ABC. A, B, and C. As you wish, in your book or in your copy, as you wish. Yes, Sifa, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. In A, B, and C.
Yes.
A number, what I have to do?
Yes.
A number exercise.
Yes, A number exercise, complete the table using the correct forms of the adjective. First one, देखो tall, tall, taller, tallest. Okay. Kind, second one, kind, kind, kinder, kindest. Then beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Then gentle, gentle, gentler, gentlest. Then intelligent, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Understood?
B number also.
B
B and
number also
C.
B. B, fill in the blanks with the correct forms of adjectives. The adjectives has already given in the bracket. Okay. You have to do the proper forms of the adjectives. Positive degree, comparative degree, or superlative degree. Okay. And C number. Okay. Just C and C also fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives. That is also given nearer, nearest, beautiful, more beautiful. You have to choose the right adjective and just put it in the blanks. You have to choose the right adjectives and put it in the blanks.
Ma'am, write in copy.
Write in copy or book as you wish. বইতেও করতে পারো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই।
I write in the book.
Okay. Yes, Meghna Rahman.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes. You may go. Yes, Shabnur Parveen.
Ma'am, I all writing in copy.
Yes. Copy is the
Okay,
most suitable
ma'am.
for writing. Okay, not book. Copy is the most suitable for
Okay.
writing. Yes.
Then boy is dirty, ma'am.
Yes. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. That's why I like to write in copy. Noira Nazneen.
Ma'am, বলছিলাম exercise A and B and C copy.
Yes, copy. Write in your copy. Okay. Just only write the answer. Don't copy the question. Only write the answer. Don't copy the question. Only write the answer in your copy and only write the answer. Sayam Das.
Ma'am,
Yes.
A, B और C के कॉपी में करना पड़ेगा.
Yes. Copy. We'll do it in your copy.
मैम क्वेश्चन लिख के आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा या सिर्फ आंसर?
नहीं. Only answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just speak in English. Okay. This is not your Hindi class. That's why you speak in Hindi. Speak in English. In Hindi class, you speak in Hindi. Amar Siddiqui.
Question number A, we write in copy or book?
You have to write in copy. Whatever you wish. But prefer in the copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Adrita Dash.
Ma'am, मेरा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था इसलिए मैं लेट ज्वाइन किया हूँ। आप
Okay.
मुझे पेज बोल देंगे?
हाँ, चैप्टर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज चैप्टर 9 पेज नंबर 41. English language chapter 9 page number 41 and ABC exercise ABC, do it in your copy. Don't copy the question, only write the answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Wait, just I will give your attendance. Wait. Okay, yes. Amina. Amina.
Ma'am,
Chapter 9 English language. Chapter 9 degree of comparison. Just do the exercise
Ma'am,
ABC in your book.
ম্যাম আপনি কোনটা রাইটিং করতে দিয়েছেন?
ABC page number 42. Open the page number 42.
Yes, ma'am.
42 and 43. Do it now.
এগুলো করতে পারবো
Try.
মা?
Yes, Amar.
Ma'am, I have completed
ABC.
ABC. Only I completed only A and B.
C. C.
Okay, ma'am.
Munir.
Ma'am, we writing only answer.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Rafiqul.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, late. Please present me.
Yes. I've already given your attendance.
Ma'am, what do?
Chapter 9, English language, chapter 9, degree of comparison, page number 42 and 43. Do it now. Okay, in your copy or in your book, as you wish. Acha, Swell. Itoprovo.
Ma'am, I have completed exercise A.
Say, and then B and C. Do B and C. Acha, Amar.
Ma'am,
Tell
the Oxford.
question number B. 1, 2,
Question
3,
number
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The highway is tallest,
Hey,
longest,
longest, not long bar.
okay, ma'am, longer than the road that runs. Ma'am, what is this?
Beside
it. The puppy is bigger than the kitten.
Hmm.
It is darkest inside the room than
darker.
it is
Darkest.
okay, ma'am. This year is coldest than was the last year.
Colder.
Ma'am, smaller year added year.
Yes. Or not. That when we will see that it is written then we will put ER.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 5.
The mango ice cream is tastiest. The
Better. You have big network issue. That's why my sound is echoing. Question number 5. The mango ice cream tastes better than the pineapple ice cream. Better, good, better, best. Yes, Shabnur.
ma'am, your voice is echo.
Yes. In Amar has network issue. That's why.
Ma'am, I completed ABC.
ABC completed. Okay. So, you tell me the answer of question number A loudly. Okay, okay.
मैम
Hmm.
मैम कौन सा नंबर?
Question number A.
क्वेश्चन नंबर ए ऑल.
Yes, yes, all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
मैम tall, taller, tallest,
Yes.
kind, kinder, kindest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful,
Yes.
grandest,
Gentle, gentle. Gentle.
gentlest, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent.
Yes, very good. Acha, Abdul Ramiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete.
No, ma'am.
Have you any queries?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I will give the answer in study material portion, but not all the answer. I will give the answer, the question number A all, but B 5 and C 5. Okay. Then you will do it yourself. Do it yourself. Rohin Roy. Okay, Rohin Roy. Rohin Roy. Jashmeet Parvez. Unmute yourself. Jashmeet Parvez. Unmute yourself. Unmute. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Complete.
No, ma'am.
কতটা করেছো?
Ma'am, B.
B. Which
A
number?
to B.
Which number? B. Which number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, okay. Do it. Acha. Munir. MD Munir.
Yes, ma'am. I completed A.
A. Not B.
Yes, ma'am.
Not B.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Okay, okay. Do B. B and C.
Ma'am, I am saying A.
Uh-huh. A. Okay, okay. Tell me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rajveer, just wait. Rajveer.
Number 1.
Tall.
Taylor.
Tall. Tail not. Tall.
Taller. Tallest.
Yes.
King.
Kind.
Kindest.
Yes.
Beautiful. More beautiful. Most beautiful.
Very good.
Gentle. Intelligent. More intelligent. Most intelligent.
Very good.
Thank
Okay. Rajveer. Be complete. B?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, we want to 7 complete.
yes.
But I do not know what is the
Answer of question?
answer of question number 8.
8.
It's
Yes, yes.
written as expensive.
Yes, yes. Watermelons are more expensive than bananas. More expensive. Watermelons are
Okay, ma'am.
more expensive than bananas.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. The highway is longer than the road that runs beside it. The puppy is bigger than the kitten. It is darker inside the room. This year winter is colder than it was last year. The mango ice cream tastes better than the pineapple ice cream. Kolva beach is cleaner than Baga. The Duronto Express starts earlier than the Rajdhani Express, and watermelons are more expensive than bananas. These are all answers of question number B. I will give in study material portion, don't worry. Yes, Deepal?
Ma'am, I completed ABC.
ABC, okay. Just fast. You tell me the answer. Question number C, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fast. Because time is over.
My house is nearest to the market than yours.
Nearer. Then nearer to the market than yours. Then her dress is
Her dress is more beautiful than mine.
very good. Then
Prabhat is the tallest boy in the class.
very good, Deepal. Very good. Okay, so bye everyone. We have no time now. If you have any problem, tell me tomorrow about this chapter. Have you any problem? And I will give the answer in study material portion. Don't worry. And if you have any problem, this chapter you tell me tomorrow. Okay. Bye everyone.